double black. Big jump line all the way down to the bottom. Starting with loads of tabletops up the top here. Definitely worth checking out. One of my favourite trails in the forest. Little double here. Super flowy. Definitely don't need to pedal too much for these jumps. Start getting into a little bit more technical now, so just moving away from a couple of the tabletops. 2 lines here. I'm going to take the inside stamp on the outside, both joining back on another inside. Now we're coming into 2 of the main features of GBU. So starting with one of the bigger drops, which is just here. And then coming in to the second, slightly smaller drop just down through here. Still a good challenge. Speed is a little bit slower now. And then just finishing, in my opinion, with one of the best sections in the forest. Freshly built. Again, worth checking this out before you hit it. Couple of gaps here. Big old table. Road gap. 2 doubles. Finish you off. Whoa, Sam, you steep.